you're telling. We're at the Geneva.
There we go. 535 17th Ave East, the Geneva. Case Bob Oates Plumbing here, making the sewer recording. We're looking at the city main flowing by out on 17th. We're going to pull back from this point and get a good look at the sewer lines. Come on back into 6-inch diameter clay sewer here. Got a seam in the pipe about every 2 feet. Those seams are where the roots come in. That's where the obstructions happen, the breaking, the shifting, etc. This whole line has been replaced up into the property line is what it looks like. There's been new plastic put in, but this section that goes out under the road is still the original clay. It's still the responsibility of the owner of the building to maintain, repair, or replace the line out to the city main. Right there, we're coming back into plastic. Could you go right out to that transition spot, please? Right there, we are transitioning from clay, that 6-inch diameter clay. There's also a crack in the sewer line at the top there. You can see right side of the screen, cracked sewer line right off of that seam. So we've got about 28 feet, 26, 27 feet of 6-inch diameter clay before we get to the city main. And I want to go try to see if there's a clean out down here somewhere. If there's, this is just a test tee. So pausing the video, we're going to go do some locating. Let's see, if you press that one, you got to restart. We push further back down, but we're going to come back the rest of the way. We're down in the clay. We're going to come all the way back through this pipe.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Yeah. Most customers are upset.
Oh, why? It's awesome.
Well, because they're not paying for it. You're working for somebody paying. Most of the people we're doing residential houses.
10K, no problem.
Yeah.